Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can access TikTok studios on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see upload button at top right corner. Just tap over there or click on it, and now you'll be able to access the TikTok Studio successfully. So basically this is how you can access TikTok Studio on TikTok app, and if you encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.